startups, entrepreneurship, starting your own new business. Join me every week as we dive into stories, topics, and advices from the top founders, innovators, the crazy ones, the misfits, the troublemakers. Every Saturday at 4 p.m. I'll see you there. So what are some of your ambitions or goals for the next, let's say, 15 years, 10 years?
Mass coverage where I can actually speak to as many people. And I just feel that makes me so happy. That gives me so much joy.
I mean, a person like me, if I can have 500,000 people on Facebook,
Yeah.
I mean, easily, it's so easy, right?
Yeah.
To just do something that can impact people's lives. What kind of an impact are you looking for?
उसके बीच में agent involved होना and then the agent. So there are multiple things at every level. And I feel that those hurdles will always be there. But then, you don't stop.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Startup Podcast with me, Sadhu Lawala. Today we're talking to a female entrepreneur who has flew all the way from Dubai just for this podcast. I want to believe that, and I will. And she's a friend we met at Future Fest in Lahore. She's doing a lot, mostly now in the Middle Eastern market. She's exploring more, so we're going to talk to her about that, how that's going, what she's doing, and learn more about how her journey has been. She is the co-founder at मुझे याद है.
The styling duo.
She's a co-founder at The Styling Duo in Dubai, and she's doing a lot more. She has done a lot more. So let's learn about her. Today we have Huma Mirza, all the way from Dubai.
Hi, Sad. Thank you so much for having me on your podcast. It's always so fun to...
पिछली बार जैसे.
I know, and I just feel it's like a catch-up for both of us. So yeah, it's been interesting. It's been a very interesting journey. It's been 4 years to me starting my own business, getting my own office, having to become a speaker, talk about my work, all of those things that I've been doing.
I'm excited कि वो आपने बहुत कुछ जो है फरवरी के बाद शुरू किया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
तो the podcast I did with her at Future Fest, उस वक्त ना मैं उनको जानता था ना कुछ, मैं तो बस बैठ गया था, कोई खातून आ गई थी और उनको रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था. बट देन आई गॉट टू नो मोर अबाउट हर. उस वक्त भी फील हुआ कि जी अब मुझे वापसी पॉडकास्ट करना चाहिए बिफोर लीविंग. बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि अब उनसे कराची में टाइम मिला और आपको वापसी हमें होस्ट करने का मौका मिला. Uma Baji, I'd like to know more about you. So how your journey's been, where were you brought up, where did you study, how did you end up in Dubai?
So I was born and raised in Karachi, and then I went to study to United Kingdom. And let me tell you, I am a very keen learner. मुझे बहुत शौक है पढ़ाई का. I love getting gold medals and doing more courses. So while I was in London, I just wasn't doing an undergrad course. I was doing short courses of fashion brand management, weekend pay marketing ke courses, summer school. So, I have always been a very, very keen learner. And I think I enjoy learning. Abhi bhi I recently did a course from Harvard. I am a certified yogi. So yeah, I really enjoy all of that. So,
Awesome. आप कही थी आपने कोर्सेज कराने, मैं तो कहता हूँ आप योगी वाले कोर्सेज करा दें. That's
I know.
तो
Literally,
ज़्यादा
right?
चलेगा.
Proper, yeah, fitness is quite
Yes,
big,
no, it's
yeah.
very important, and especially for I think कराची में ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा करने में, क्योंकि आप सारा कुछ पसीना भी आ रहा होगा और आप एक्सरसाइज भी कर रहे होंगे, तो it's gonna be even better for.
I know, and to stay physically fit, I think it's so important for young entrepreneurs, for people who I see they're in their 40s. You've completely given up on yourselves. They are so consumed in their work life that they actually have no time for themselves. So I think just taking out that 1 hour for yourself, it's very, very important.
That's very true. और I think mental sanity के लिए
Yes.
बहुत important है, rather than
Yes.
just किसी बॉडी मोटे हो जाएंगे.
Exactly.
वो वाला फैक्टर ज़्यादा है. तो you were brought up in Karachi. Where were you studying in the UK?
So I went to Coventry University, and then I went to London School of Economics. And yeah, I was a distinction holder. I was a valedictorian. I think तब से मुझे speaker का बहुत शौक है. अब मुझे realize हुआ है.
तो जैसे स्टेज पे आपने एक बार बोला था उसकी वजह से.
I think so. I think I loved the people, clapping for me, and I just loved that. I think that was a new thrill for me. So I think abhi bhi jab Future Fest ka ye pura hua, and I was a panel speaker there. So I think it all just revoked, and then I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. I can look
And
into
just last week in Dubai, you were at some event.
I was
What was that
speaking.
about?
So I was a panel speaker at Index. Index is one of the largest exhibitions that happen all over the world for interior designers. They display their
Interesting.
products, they display everything from all over the world, and usme they call all international speakers. So they had also contacted me, and it was great because it was a great panel discussion. We were talking about how AI is influencing the design industry,
Interesting.
and how technology is actually playing such important role to assist designers in actually coming with more innovative and better designs.
Okay, so I'd like to learn more on that. KG, you said how, I mean, of course, you guys had that discussion.
Yeah.
What was something that you did discuss about? Because the only thing I know in design, KG, software इस्तेमाल होता है वो ये कि जी, okay, an architect is making a CAD design and designing on top of that. SketchUp के ऊपर या इस तरह के डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अच्छे ऑफ कोर्स SketchUp तो एक बहुत बेसिक है, बट उसके अलावा भी कोई चीज़ है. Like now, whenever I want to design my room, I just take a picture, feed it to an AI, and it designs it. Is that something that people are using now, are adapting to, or are just scared of?
I think it is, people are using that, to be very honest. It is coming to our benefit. I think it is a time where technology, it's that era where, the first time internet came into place. So it came as a threat also, and it came as a positive advantage also.
Right.
It's how we are utilizing that AI to our benefits. So it is very beneficial to me, and to let me tell you, it's helped me in automating my business as a startup. And actually, jab AI आया था, so I became very threatened because I was a startup company, and I just thought that why would someone hire a startup company or a fresh interior designer? Why can they can do it simply with just taking a picture जैसे आप करते हैं? So how am I different? But I think the human mind, the creativity, that element, and I think in design what is very important is the human connection, the interaction. I need to feel heard. I need to feel that my ideas are being understood. Someone can relate to it. Someone is actually putting their heart and soul into that design. So I think design is something that's very personal. So I think technology is definitely aiding and helping us for better innovations.
Yeah.
But there again, you need that human touch.
No, that's awesome. So you're mentioning a lot about your business. What is the design duo, right?
It's the styling duo.
Oh, my bad. So what is the styling duo? And before that, did you start any other businesses, or was this your first baby?
This is my first baby, but before that I was a part of the corporate world because my father is a businessman, and he said कि before you join my business you will have to do a 9 to 5 job.
Really?
Yes.
कहाँ पे करी आपने?
और वो मैंने actually when I was working in Dubai, because as soon as I graduated I got married. So and then I moved to Dubai, and I couldn't, I didn't want to sit at home. So then I started working at Nexus, which was an insurance company. And soon after COVID happened. And once COVID happened, then I was just like, it's now time to start my own business and take that plunge. And from there on, me and my friend, we both had studied interiors. And we just started our own company.
That's awesome. So Mamaji, I'd like to know more about your business. So what do you guys offer, and करते क्या है? थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में बताएं.
So I'll tell you, we have actually taken a niche in the whole design. The word, I feel, design is very broad.
Exactly.
And very generic. So we have picked up a niche, and I think that is very well depicted in our name, that is styling. So we are mostly focused on styling. We love styling spaces. We love designing spaces and then just beautifying them. So aesthetically, I love to beautify a particular space or an area, but we don't get into civil work. So we do not get into architectural designs. We have chosen our niche, and we're very happy with that. We are growing mostly in styling because, in Dubai, as you know, my company is headquartered in Dubai, and there the trend of holiday homes and short-term rentals is really trending high.
Right.
So they need the quick 2-week fixes, where you use colors and where you actually use textures and materials rather than actually breaking the whole thing down and then redesigning. We are into turnkey as well, but our main focal point is styling. So we are more into the the quick fixes, working with holiday home companies. And once we started with that, we realized that there is so much scope in there. So from that, we have now grown into art curation. Since I'm from Pakistan, I feel that, we have a country that is so rich in culture and that people don't know about. So I just feel it would be, and it is such a great thing for me to actually showcase and be able to help the artists facilitate their art to other parts of the world, and to actually promote my own country and their own art in countries like UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, so all these other countries.
So you do have an eye for art, huh?
I do.
Interesting.
I feel that once you're into styling and once you're into staging, and I feel it's very important for you to have that eye for art, because not everyone can understand art.
हाँ वही ना, मतलब मैं art gallery जाता था तो I was really confused. What am I looking at?
Yeah.
Or what's this in front of me? Okay, this is a horse.
Yeah.
Why is this horse worth $100,000?
Yeah.
I never got that.
Yeah. So I feel you need to have that mindset, and apart from that mindset, so I just feel it's so important to educate people also about our culture, about the richness of art, and the beauty of Pakistan. I mean, I feel there is so much talent here. There is so much, forget art, the way the craftsmanship of cushions here, the craftsmanship of the way the trees are made, it's all so beautiful. And just taking that to an international platform and level is I feel a great way to actually contribute something and give back to my country.
That's awesome. So coming back to your company, you said that staging is a very growing industry, right?
Yeah.
People, I mean, even I've seen a lot of ads, and I've stayed in a few holiday rentals myself in the US, but like in Thailand or let's say Bali, there's a lot of places that do offer holiday rentals, and there's a lot of people, I'm sure, that do furnish them.
Yeah.
So you're in that industry. I didn't know so much about Dubai, but of course it makes a lot of sense now that if there's so much tourism in Dubai, why wouldn't there be so much holiday rentals? And especially because people like to invest a lot in Dubai.
Exactly.
So this is of course something that's a value-added product, and it enhances their beauty.
Yeah.
How big is industry in your belief, and like how much area for growth is there?
So I feel it's very, holiday home companies are very scalable business, and I feel it is a very, because it's growing tremendously in countries that are focused mostly on tourism. So Dubai thrives on tourism. And that is why, from hotels, people are choosing holiday home. From holiday homes, people are actually, from Dubai, people now, companies from Turkey are contacting us. Because, the Airbnb system, the whole concept of Airbnb.
But you guys don't manage properties, right?
We don't manage properties, but we design it. And every company has a certain protocol, like the DTCM requirements. Dubai has its own protocol where, you have to make sure that certain requirements are there. So we follow all of that. We design those spaces in a way that they get rented soon. So the clients are actually getting a higher revenue on their properties.
That's awesome.
So, the whole art and the whole science of actually understanding of how you are actually working and choosing the colors that, look attractive in pictures. So people see it, they like it, and they book it. So, yeah.
So, Humamaji, you mentioned that you started your business while being in Dubai. You moved there right after you married.
Yes.
And I'd like to know that journey. कि जी बहुत सारी जो हमारी majority आबादी है, especially from our country, and not only our country but like overall in South Asia, it's a trend that female usually don't work. And of course, उस चीज़ को tackle करना, I'm sure it wasn't easy, or there were some challenges. Even if there weren't any challenges, there's so many मतलब मेरी फैमिली से लोग दुबई में रहते हैं, हमारे घर की ख़वातीन रहती हैं, वो यूजुअली काम नहीं करती, और करना भी चाहती हैं तो कभी कभार कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं, या कभी कोई ख़ुद की हिम्मत नहीं होती, उनके दोस्तों का एनवायरनमेंट वो नहीं होता जिसमें लोग काम कर रहे हो. सो हाउ डिड यू टैकल दैट?
I think what's very important is your partner. My husband's very supportive, and I think since a child, my father knew कि इसको तो कुछ करना है, ये she will not sit idle. So he had always involved me as a child. Also, he would take me to his office, and I loved working, and I loved staying busy productively. So I feel it was challenging. I have 2 beautiful children. So managing the house, managing my children, and yes, then starting my own business and then growing it. It does come with its set of challenges, but I feel for women, it is so important to be financially independent. Just to have your own money, just to have that own financial independence, I feel it is very, very essential. And we are living in the 21st century now. In this era, I feel that every woman, I feel women are so talented. When I speak to certain people, certain women, I feel that, if they just utilize their time better, if they can do so much, they can achieve so much. So I think, yes, there are challenges. It is difficult. Sometimes I just feel that I am running in all directions. But yes, by the end of it, I at least feel self-actualized. I feel that, okay, I've accomplished something, and I feel that I'm setting a good role model for my daughter. At least my daughter will know that it is important for her to do something in life, and to not only just do something in her life for herself, but to give back to the community. I think for me, it's very important that if I have learned so much, I should pass that knowledge. I should share those ideas. And अगर मेरी इस podcast से कोई एक भी inspire हो जाए. So for me, I will feel my mission is accomplished. And speaking of which, on the way while we were talking, I was telling you that now this new, I've started speaking on events, and I've started sharing my journey.
Interesting, very interesting.
So uska main focus ये है कि I want to share my knowledge. I want to part my knowledge with people कि अगर उस audience में, if there's an audience of 50 people, and उसमें से कोई एक भी inspire हो जाए, so I will feel I've done my job. I will feel I want to grow more leaders. I want to grow more female entrepreneurs, because I feel there is the more the better.
So, okay. So because you have been in that society, you've been on panels, you've been so involved in this segment, right? And you want to be more involved. Yeah. You want to be even more involved. Pehle to bhai, if there's any professors or if there's any universities listening, she's open to coming in and actually talking to female women. हमारे यहाँ मतलब 50% of our universities are women, right? So that room still exists of motivating them and actually having them start. My question is what are some industries or what are some spaces where, क्योंकि of course we have our societal challenges, right? हर काम शायद मतलब करने को तो मैं पर्सनली मेरे लिए तो हर इंसान इक्वल है. मैं अपने भाई को भी बोलूँगा मैं चाय लाए, मैं अपनी बहन को भी बोलूँगा चाय ला के दे. मैं अपने भाई को भी बोलूँगा पौधे जाके वो खेती बाड़ी खुद करो और बहन भी करे. Now it's their choice if to do it or not.
Exactly.
लेकिन for me personally they're equal, but her society has its own challenges. So what are some places that it's easier to start? I'm not saying कि मुश्किल वाले काम नहीं करने चाहिए, but usually लोग कहते हैं यार थोड़ा आसान वाला काम से शुरू करते हैं. So what are some spaces for, let's say, a bachelor student or a graduate sitting at home, now married, now she has time on her hands, she has that capacity internally to do something, but maybe it's not possible for her to go to Dubai or for actually to go to the office every single day, but everyone has 7 to 8 or 5 hours at least a day free.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे वो क्या क्या करे जा सकता है आपके ख्याल से, just to start off and then actually being 100% part of society? मर्दों के लिए भी है by the way, जो लड़के नहीं घर पे बैठे रहते हैं अपने अब्बा के पैसों पे रह रहे होते हैं, उनके लिए भी सेम चीज़.
So I will say कि everyone is, and every individual is passionate about something, and I will say कि first just figure out what you're passionate about. Once you know what you're passionate about, you can do a little research.
Can I cut you off there?
Yeah, sure.
पैशन होता क्या है?
पैशन होता है समथिंग
ये लोग बहुत कहते हैं पैशनेट होना चाहिए, लेकिन क्या होता है पैशन, ये तो बताएं.
So passion for me is a drive, something that excites you to get out of bed. Something that, and that doesn't have to be a 9 to 5 job. Like if you told me कि मुझे एक 9 to 5 job करनी है, वो मुझे excite नहीं करता. But मेरा खुद का business और सुबह एक client meeting पे जाना, वो मुझे excite करता है. So that for me, your drive, your thrill, what motivates you, what keeps you going, what keeps you alive, basically. And that is your passion. So जो भी आपका passion है, you know, I'm sure everyone is some girls are passionate about makeup, some are about baking. So I would say that, you know, know your passion and then do some courses, you know, take some professional certifications. So at least you are certified. And then you can start small, you can start from your home. And, you know, you would be amazed, to be honest. Once you start, you will just see the opportunities that open up. एंड वही जो फैमिली जो आपको रोक रही होती है, वो आपके कितने बड़े सपोर्टर्स और कितना आपको इनकरेज और ख़ुद ही आपको प्रमोट करना शुरू हो जाए.
ऐसा ही है. जो आपने एग्जांपल दी ना, ये एग्जांपल हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. इन इज़ फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स, नॉट किसी को जेंडर फोकस्ड. किसी कोई लड़का भी या कोई बंदा भी कोई काम करना शुरू करे और फैमिली से तो बैकलैश तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. लेकिन व्हेन यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट डूइंग इट एंड यू स्टार्टेड टू अकॉम्प्लिश, इवन इफ इट्स लाइक वेरी स्मॉल इम्पैक्ट ऑन समथिंग, इतनी अप्रिशिएशन आती है एंड देन फिर और दिल चाहता है करने का. बट इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप. उसमें बस यू हैव टू,
इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
आई मीन उस वक्त तक तो धक्के पड़ेंगे. और वो चीज़ मैंने आपसे पूछनी थी कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ धक्के पड़े.
मुझे एक्चुअली अभी भी धक्के पड़ते हैं, बहुत धक्के पड़ते हैं.
कौन से पड़ते हैं?
हर जगह बहुत. इट्स नॉट ईजी बिकॉज यू नो आई डील विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस एंड आई डील विद अ लॉट ऑफ बिजनेसमैन who have that mindset that how can she, you know, she's a woman, how can she have a brain to design a building? So for me, if I want to...
Do you have a brain to design a building?
Well, I think I do.
Okay.
So you know, commercial spaces के जो projects होते हैं, जो tenders होते हैं, in the past 4 years we did the interiors of one commercial building, residential tower. It is in Dubai South by the name of Anchorage Residences. So yes, so I think just the challenge is that, oh, she has 2 kids, how will she manage? You know, she has to go for school pickup. You know, she has to go pick up her kids at 2 o'clock from school. So, you know, just leaving meetings in between. So managing that time is, yes, that is one of a daily challenge that I get to face. Apart from that, I feel there are hurdles at every step, but with every step that you take, then there's also a solution. Like, you know, when we were getting our first office, so getting it in Business Bay in Dubai and, you know, just signing that whole deal, it was very exciting because it was me and my friend who were doing it. But uske beech mein agent involved hona and then the agent, so there are multiple things at every level. And I feel that those hurdles will always be there. But then, you know, you don't stop. अब एक speed break आते हैं तो आप गाड़ी रोक तो नहीं देते.
नहीं, उसके ऊपर चढ़ के वापसी फिर आगे जाते हैं.
Exactly.
Very exciting. What are some ambitions that you have? So अभी मैं जैसे अपना बता रहा था कि जी मैंने तो 1 बिलियन दरख्त लगाने अगले 8 सालों में. आपने कहा नहीं, मैंने भी 1 बिलियन लगाने हैं 5 सालों में. अब मैं कुछ आगे से बोलूँगा नहीं, अब 5 साल में. तो what are some, like, because that has been my main, and that's like हम लोग घर में ना हर साल फैमिली वो होती है लाइफ प्लान कि जी अपना लाइफ प्लान बनाओ हर एक के साथ. तो हमने ये नोटिस किया, या मैंने नोटिस किया कि हर साल जब भी मैं बनाता था तो एक जो चीज़ थी ना वो चेंज नहीं होती थी, बाकी सब चीज़ चेंज हो जाती थी. वो ये था कि दरख्त लगाने हैं, और वो गोल बड़े पे बड़ा होता गया, didn't stay small. So now I've successfully planted 100,000 trees.
Wow,
मगर
माशाल्लाह.
1 बिलियन पे जाना है. एंड अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे और रास्ते खुल रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों से स्ट्रेटिजिकली बहुत अच्छी बातें हो भी रही हैं विच कैन हेल्प इट फैसिलिटेट इट ग्रो. मे बी अ न्यू कंपनी दैट प्लांट्स ट्रीज ऑन अ नेशनल एंड मैसिव लेवल. तो उस तरह की चीज़ें हैं जो अब मेरे लिए आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ईजी हो रही हैं. तो व्हाट आर सम योर एम्बिशंस और गोल्स for the next, let's say, 15 years, 10 years?
So my first 5 years, it's getting my own private jet.
अल्लाह, देखिए मैं दुनिया बर्बाद नहीं कर रहा, ये कर रही है, ये मैं सही कर रहा हूँ.
मैं बर्बाद नहीं कर रही, मैं सिर्फ अपना कम्यूट आसान कर रही हूँ बस.
आज ईमेल आई हुई थी एक प्राइवेट जेट कंपनी की दुबई में जो कह रहा है कि हमारे जहाज़ खड़े हुए हैं, आपको जब जाना हो चले जाए.
प्लीज़ आप मुझे फॉरवर्ड
मैं आपको फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ. जहाज़ खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अब.
तो नहीं, but realistically my personal 5-year, jokes apart, my 5-year goal is to actually empower as many women
नंबर लगाएं,
as I can.
नंबर बताएं.
In particular तो number नहीं है, but I think to start with maybe 1 million
1 million in the next 5 years.
in the next 5 years. And
What-
that is through these talks, that is because that is where I can get that mass coverage, where I can actually speak to as many people. And I just feel that makes me so happy. That gives me so much joy to give a girl wings, you know, to fly. And I feel we all have that. We just don't know how to utilize it. So for me, that is my goal. Yeah, to empower as many people and educate them as I can.
हुमा भाई जी, आपने बहुत अच्छा एक एम्बिशन बताया, और उस तक पहुंचने के लिए बहुत सारे रास्ते होते हैं. 1 मिलियन लोगों की ज़िंदगी इम्पैक्ट करना इज़ अ वेरी डूएबल नंबर इन दिस एज, और बहुत सारे लोग ही सोच भी नहीं पाते. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू एक्चुअली थॉट ऑफ अ लार्ज नंबर. लोग 1000 नंबर 2000 के ऊपर भी बहुत डर रहे होते हैं, बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी डूएबल नंबर, क्योंकि आई मीन a person like me, if I can have 500,000 people on Facebook,
Yeah.
I mean, easily, it's so easy, right? To
Yeah.
just do something that can impact people's lives. What kind of an impact are you looking for?
Something that gives them the wings and the confidence for them to start their own business.
So you
For them
want-
to follow their own dreams.
Awesome. So आप चाह रही हैं 1 मिलियन नए कारोबार, एंटरप्रेन्योर शुरू हों,
क्यों नहीं?
और awesome. कैसे?
और वो 1 मिलियन लोग अपने फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हों, वो थ्रू माई टॉक्स, through my I have recently now decided, because once I had these conversations and once I had these panel discussions, I realized that when I got the feedback, when I would even get one message by saying that, oh, you've given us hope for a startup company, I've just started my company, it just gave me so much happiness. So for me, I feel if the more I do this and the more I'm out there, and if I can share my journey, because I strongly believe if she can, I can, if I can, you can. So I feel anyone can, and we just need to take that first step, and I want to encourage and motivate as many people as I can to take that first step.
That's awesome. If there's anyone who has a similar mission, I'm sure Huma Baji would love to
I
be
would love to
aligned
connect
with you, to connect with you. So Huma Mirza is on LinkedIn. इनको कनेक्ट करें, क्योंकि बहुत सारी ख़वातीन से मैं सुनता हूँ, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको गाइडेंस चाहिए होती है, और उनका भी गोल ये होता है, लेकिन गोल तक पहुँचना कैसे है वो नहीं उनको पता होता.
Exactly.
So Huma Baji is an amazing resource to have, amazing connection to have, to start your journey, to start your facilitation, and to help you help others. बहुत friendly हैं, बहुत open है to a lot of ideas. So before ending the podcast, Huma Baji, I'd love to get ख़वातीन के लिए स्पेशली कि अगेन what you said कि जो भी पैशनेट हो, ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपको लगता हो थोड़ी आसान हो, जो शुरू की जाए, और ये अपना पैशन कैसे ढूंढा जाए. बहुत से लोग होते हैं जो कंफ्यूज होते हैं, दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट्स, दे कैन ट्राई अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट आवर स्ट्रैटेजी इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज कि जी आप अपना कारोबार शुरू करें, हम आपको फैसिलिटेट करेंगे. अब हमने वो सब ख़त्म कर दिया. वी टेलिंग यू कि ये कारोबार आप सिर्फ यही शुरू करोगे, और इसमें जब पैसे कमा लोगे ना, देन गो आफ्टर योर पैशन. जब तक आपका रोटी कपड़े मकान का मसला हल नहीं होता, it's very difficult to find your passion, because you every day you're so stressed about paying the बिजली का बिल, paying that, paying this. मुझे तो लगता है कि ख़वातीन घर में पैसे कमाना शुरू कर दें, और वो अपने जो उनके पार्टनर हैं उनको सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर दें, what could be more beautiful that both of them are running the house equally. एंड इवन इफ इट्स लाइक 5,000 रुपये घर में कोई देता है, या 5,000 रुपये से आप कहते हो मैं ये खुद लेकर आया हूँ. आई मीन आई रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट टाइम माई सिस्टर ब्रॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम हर ओन अर्निंग, राइट. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टाइम, एंड अभी भी होता है तो और अप्रिशिएट करते हैं लोग उनको, अब उसको और सीरियसली भी लेते हैं. तो व्हाट्स समथिंग दैट यू फील के इफ़ यू एग्री विद दिस, कि अपना कोई 2-3 चीज़ें हों जिससे शुरू करें. बहुत सी चीज़ें ख़वातीन अच्छी होती हैं, टिपिकली हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें ख़वातीन अच्छी होती हैं. मुझे तो लगता है कि रेस्टोरेंट्स होने ही नहीं चाहिए ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि हर घर में एक रेस्टोरेंट बनने की कैपेसिटी होती है, एक प्रोफेशनल कुक होता है, एक किचन होता है. हम लोग अपना किचन बनाए थे तो मैं सोच रहा था कि ज़रूरत क्या है, अपने घर में है ना किचन, वहीं से रेस्टोरेंट अपने गार्डन में खोल ले बंदा। तो एक मोहल्ले में ही अगर कम्युनिटी किचन हो या एक घर से सप्लाई हो रहा हो खाना, कितना कुछ हो सकता है। हर घर में अलग कुजीन है, हर घर में एक अलग टेस्ट है, वो टेस्ट हर वक्त बाहर जा रहा हो। तो मैं थोड़ी लंबा कर दिया क्वेश्चन भी और हल्का फुल्का।
आई नो, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ कि आपका क्वेश्चन क्या, आपकी क्वेश्चन एक स्पीच बन चुकी है,
स्पीच बन गई। तो हुमा बाजी, हाउ कैन वुमेन बी हेल्प टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप?
I think women can be helped with their family support. I think it's very important for fathers these days to actually encourage their daughters to go out and actually follow their dreams, to pursue whatever their heart desires, because now everyone knows what they want to do. You know, our education systems have changed. So much has changed now. While going to school, they teach us that, you know, it's not only English, math, it's like, you know, what are your subjects, what are you inclined towards. When you're graduating, that becomes your specialization, that becomes your master's. So I feel that that should encourage. And, you know, I always believed in this, I know it's funny, but I always believed in having a partner as a power couple. So for me, it was always that it's not that I want to be so-and-so's wife, but I want to be, when I stand with him, so I compliment him as much as he compliments me. You know, whatever he's bringing to the table, if I can't bring that much, at least I'm bringing something to the table. So, you know, when we stand together, it comes as a power couple. It comes as both are looking, not only looking good, but also mentally complementing each other. So I feel that is very, very important in today's day and age. It's not only getting married in our generation, it's also finding the right partner who encourages you to grow and to pursue your dreams. That for you is also for you, Saad. You must encourage your partner,
100%। भाई मैंने तो अपनी अम्मा को कह दिया कि अगर वो लाती हैं कोई बेगम, तो ऐसी हो जो काम करे खुद भी और मुझे भी, अगर मैं काम करना छोड़ दूं तो वो भी सपोर्ट कर सके
और तुम्हें भी encourage करे और तुम भी।
हाँ, मुझे भी encourage करे ना भाई, मैं भी शादी क्यों करूँ। I think this was an amazing talk. Very important for both genders to listen to, all genders.
Although I feel that Saad really segregated it to the women gender, but yes, I can help men also.
नहीं, यही कह रहा हूँ ना कि मैं नहीं चाह रहा, the reason why I did ask women focused questions, क्योंकि like in my own podcast I made that mistake कि मैंने बहुत कम पूछे, क्योंकि ख़वातीन कम आई। But whenever there is someone who I feel कि जी that can contribute, never have I ever wanted कि जी कोई gender focused कोई बात हो। और अभी जो बात हुई है, बहुत सारे मर्द भी हैं जो घर फालतू बैठे होते हैं और औरतें कमा के ला रही होती हैं, तो उनके लिए भी ये सेम बातें हैं, क्योंकि हम चाह रहे हैं कि जो अंडरवर्क हमारे पास वर्क फोर्स है, जो अंडरवर्क लोग हैं, जो अपनी कैपेसिटी से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हैं कि भाई हमने काम करना है या हमने भी आगे बढ़ना है, वो क्या कर सकते हैं। एंड हुमा बाजी wasn't that person कि जी वो, लेकिन but she did it and she has an amazing journey. The fact that she's open to helping a lot of people is the reason why we have to now take leverage of that and say इनकी इंकरेजमेंट ये दे रही हैं उसको हम एक्सेप्ट करें, हम उससे इनकरेज होएं और अपना भी काम शुरू करें, आगे बढ़ें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम हुमा बाजी।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन योर पॉडकास्ट साद।
एंड आई होप यू ऑल द बेस्ट। हम लोग अब 2 साल के बाद वापसी पॉडकास्ट करेंगे और देखेंगे कहाँ तक पहुँची आप, कितनी
आपकी ट्रीज, और कितने लोगों को मैंने
कितने मेरे तरह कहाँ तक पहुँचे। 1 लाख से मैं देखिए 5 साल में मैंने पहुँचना है 100 मिलियन पे, और 2 साल में पहुँचना है 1 मिलियन पे, तो इट्स अ बिग टारगेट। लेट्स सी, हो जाएगा, मुझे तो टेंशन नहीं, हो जाएगा। एक बार गोल बना लो, ऊपर वाला कराया था।
एग्जैक्टली।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Startups, entrepreneurship, starting your own new business. Join me every week as we dive into stories, topics, and advices from the top founders, innovators,
the crazy ones, the misfits, the troublemakers.
Every Saturday at 4 p.m. I'll see you there.